We're now heading down Samui's west coast, and this is a place that's been refurbished. So if you have come here before, you might not recognize it. I wouldn't have put it in Teenee before, but I will now. It's a place called Mimosa. And as I chat, let me just show you some images of this place. It's right on Ban Tai Beach, which is one of Samui's, let's call it a secret beach, one of the Samui's lesser known beaches, that's for sure. And they've done a great job with the renovations in here. You can go in, they have some nice happy hour, I think 4 p.m. onwards. You can buy one beer, get one free. They have some good happy hour stuff. They have a pool. It's on a beautiful stretch of sand. And this is a place where we just popped by today because friends of ours live in the area and they love coming down here. So I wanted to share it with all of you out there in Teenee. Now let's just give you a few visuals of what this place looks like. Maybe add a little music. All right, hit it, maestro.
I wanna run away.